Hi and welcome to another video. I'm Alessio from agrtech.com.au, and in today's video I wanted to share a really quick and simple guide on how to restart the print spooler inside of Windows. And the reason you might want to do this is in the event that your printer has become unresponsive and perhaps it's just not processing a job that you've specified. Sometimes restarting the print spooler in Windows can get the printer back online again and will often fix a lot of issues that you have with the printer. So to do this, simply go ahead and press the Windows button followed by R on your keyboard, which will open up a run window like so. And then inside the run box, you just want to type in services.msc and then press OK. And what this will do is open up a program like so, which will list all the different services that are running on your computer. And what we want to do is look for the print spooler. So just click on any entry and then type in PR. And that will take you down to the print spooler. So just right click on here and press on restart. Okay, and once that's done, you can go ahead and restart the print job, and you may have to delete it from the print jobs that are currently running and then reprint the document again, but that will often get the document printed fine for you. So you can also right click as well and just go properties. In the event that that doesn't work, you can also just stop the service like that and then press on start again. And you just want to also check to make sure that it is set to automatic and then hit OK, and then you can try printing again. And basically that is how you can restart the print spooler. It's a very simple technique, but often does fix a lot of issues with Windows in terms of printing. I may make another video down the track which will have some more advanced steps that you can take to troubleshoot a printer. But just wanted to share this really quick simple guide. This can also be applied for Linux machines as well, although there is a different command that you have to run in the terminal. All of that will be included in the description as well, and I'll have a blog post outlining all of those things that you can do for both Windows, Mac, as well as Linux machines as well. So I hope you guys found this video to be useful. If so, be sure to hit the like button down below and share it with someone you think could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with more videos and other tips that we share, as well as our website and blog agrtech.com.au, which contains more tutorials and other information. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, have a good day.